Hey, you're still working? What are you doing? This is overtime. Hey everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Zoya GMK67. You might be wondering why I'm so excited to look at a keyboard that has been out for about a year or more than a year now. To be honest, I'm not really that excited of the keyboard itself. I mean, it's pretty cool that I get to take a look at this, but I am more excited with the keycap set this keyboard has. This specific keycap set was designed by my friend Widegren and manufactured by our amazing friends at Goblin Techies. Just a disclaimer, although Goblin Techies did send this keyboard and keycap set for me to review, they have no say on what I'd be saying about this keyboard and keycap set combo. In fact, they have no access to my notes and all my opinions are mine alone. This is the box of the Zoya GMK67. It is in the ANSI layout, black keyboard with RGB. We have a manual. We have a 2-in-1 keycap puller / switch puller, a Goblin Techies branded keycap puller, which is really nice. We also see stickers from Goblin Techies themselves. Then we have a braided Type-C cable. Now, I haven't seen the keyboard itself. In fact, I have only seen pictures of what the keycap set looked like, but we get to see this right now. Oh, yo, this looks so nice. That's exactly how they rendered it. God, this is really nice. As you can see, this is the design from Widegren, the Overtime keycap set. Yeah, wow. I'm not really gonna go in depth with the GMK67 as this has already been reviewed by countless other content creators, but what I can say though, this keyboard has tri-mode connectivity, meaning it can connect via 2.4 GHz mode, Bluetooth 5.0 mode, and wired mode. Its PCB has 5-pin hot swappable sockets with south-facing RGB LEDs. From what I see with how the keyboard is built, it does have pour-in gaskets, so this is a gasket-mounted keyboard. It does have 4 rubber feet and 2 adjustable flip-out feet. It does have a knob, and the cool thing about this specific knob that it matches this keyboard. In fact, if I didn't tell you, you might think that this was the aluminum version of the GMK67. It's not, by the way, it's just the plastic one, and it has a 3000 milliampere battery. Basically, what you're getting when you order this specific GMK67 from Goblin Techies are customized keycaps made specifically for you, whatever design you want, switches, and really good stabilizers. All stabs here, on my unit at least, are lubed pretty well as well. Let's try to listen to these stabs using the switches that our friends from Zion Studio sent us. These are the Perry Kendi switches. Let's take a listen. There is minimal rattle somewhere here, so you do need to re-lube some of these stabs here, but I mean, out of the box, it's pretty good. From what I've researched about the GMK67, you can actually swap out the stabilizers to screw-in stabilizers, which is a pretty good option to have. Now let's talk about the keycap set. From this view, you can really see the art created by Widegren. I have a couple of other keycap sets that Goblin Techies have created for me. If you haven't seen my first review of the first keycap set Goblin Techies have created for me, check that out. I'll link it here. Their keycaps are amazing. These are very high quality. They still have a 1.6mm thickness, but the difference now is the first one they sent and the second one I designed for the Grand Lassen R2 are both just normal PBT keycaps. This specific keycap set created for me has double shot PBT and as well has ninja printing, which earlier in my keyboard journey, I really wanted to have as they look really cool. The lights coming out as if they're underglows like a car. For the enthusiasts who have been in the hobby for quite a while, if you were one like me, wanted something like this before, comment down below. One major thing that I see right away from the keycaps, the newest one, isn't really warped anywhere at all. The first one they created is kind of warped from the top part right here, and as well as the escape key from the second set that I had them made for me. These are a bit warped. The new one has little to no warping, which is really cool. I decided to change the switches of the keyboard. So I opted to use the Zion Studios Perry Candy switches. While the stabilizers, there was a bit of noise or some ticking sounds on the spacebar, decided to add Crytox 205G0 and as well as XHT BDZ. And I decided to add the Zacklane Artisan made by Deadcat, accompanied by my brother and sister. So that's pretty much it. Let's listen to the typing test. This keycap set and this keyboard combo is, I don't know, maybe I'm biased. Probably I'm biased because this is something created for me. I love it. I definitely love how the keycaps go together. I love how WideGrin created all of this, and I love how Goblin Techies was able to print this. The quality of the keycaps is chef's kiss. They're really nice. I'm very happy to have in my possession. If you wonder about what the quality of the keycaps are, especially in the long run with the print and all of that, this keycap set I use on a daily basis. I game with this, I work with this. The print after 1 year has held up. I don't even see any kind of shine from the keycaps. I can really vouch for the quality Goblin Techies put into their products. If you've noticed, I've never once mentioned the price for the set. For the keycaps, the keyboard, the whole shebang is $200. It's a bit in the higher price in the keyboard market, but the fact that you get your very own custom keycap set, that's already a win for me. I did ask Goblin Techies why the price was a bit higher than the keycaps that they were able to customize for me before. It's because of the double shot PBT. In the Philippines, the GMK67 bare bones is around 2,589 pesos. If you put in Gateron Yellow Pro switches, you pay another 700 to 800 pesos. If you do just want the GMK67 and not really the keycap set, then you can go that route. I'm gonna put in Shopee affiliate links that link you to these specific prices for the GMK67 and the Gateron Yellow switches Right now in 2024, this is still a very good budget keyboard to have. It has everything you would need in a modern day keyboard. Is it worth the money? For me, it is. In fact, if you want to start customizing your very own GMK67 with these high quality keycaps, then click on the link below or use the code ZachLanePlays and get 5% off your next purchase. You get a discount, I get a small cut. Should you get it? That's really up to you. If you have the funds for it, for me, I would still get it because damn, this is really nice. So that's it for the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to Zach Lane Records and hit the notification bell to get notified on when my videos come out. Like this video if you liked it, and if you didn't, let me know why. If you're interested in any more keyboard videos, especially for the Fecker K75, check out this video right here. And if you want to check out the modding of the Racktala, check this video right here. Thank you very much for watching. See y'all later. Bye-bye.